I just came outside to see what Gracie's doing. She's down here, just kind of hanging out. She was just in the bush. She was just feeding babies. So I said, Gracie, what are you doing? You're pecking at trees, finding all kinds of bird stuff. What'd you find? What'd you get in there? Is something inside? Get it, Gracie. What's in there? Oh, did you hide something in there? What's in there? What's in? Oh, what is that? Did you hide a peanut in there? Is that what you hid that you just took out? That is so funny, Gracie. Do you need help? Yes? Let me help you? Okay. Here. Gracie, that's really stuck. Yeah. Got it? There it is. There it is. Mommy helped you? Did you get it? You got it! Good job, Gracie. Where are you gonna go with it? She is in between there. We rescued the nut. It wasn't actually a peanut. It looked like a nut that she must have foraged on her own. Gracie, I wish I could see it. Where'd it go? Oh, she's got it in her crop. Good job, Gracie. Gracie's down foraging again for more. I'm going to shut this off for a moment.